Okay, so have you guys started the thing at all?
The quiz or the...
Yeah, the quiz.
No. Have you started it?
No.
Yeah, I'm number 3 though.
Okay. Okay. Have you guys done the review?
I looked at
Yeah,
Did you do it, Carlton?
I did most of it, but there's a. I'd have to look at. I can't remember exactly. There's one part that I didn't really understand.
Yeah. There's a couple
Well,
parts I didn't really understand.
And I was looking through my notes and through the reading chapters or whatever, trying to look. And I couldn't find anything that
Yeah.
was close. So I
maybe we
didn't.
could try. Let's do the quiz and then maybe we'll go over that at the end. I was gonna email her or maybe get the tutor.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, so we're on lesson 8 group meeting quiz, right?
Yeah. And this is just the review, right? This is like the review. I think it is.
When I thought it said it was basically
You're supposed to take this test.
we're going to go basically over what we just did for that other.
Yeah.
Like it's similar or something.
So is it? Yeah, let's start it. I can't imagine it's gonna be like 32 questions or whatever, but maybe.
Oh my gosh, it is. It's 31. Nice. All right. Okay, so I'll start with number 2. Yeah. So, which of the following variables is categorical? And so, I put a randomly selected brand of toothpaste at a convenience store because categorical has nothing to do with numbers. You concur? Yeah?
Yes.
Let's see.
Okay, one second. Give me a second to get situated really fast. Which of the following variables categorical? Okay, so the toothpaste one. Got it. Okay. Yeah, never mind.
You don't have to do anything. You just have to say the things that plan and other things.
Okay. I'm sorry.
No, you're tough. Okay, you guys ready for 3? Am I going too fast?
No, you're good. Go for it.
Okay, so this is what it says. The mean IQ test score in the United States is 100. 20 randomly selected statistics students took the IQ test, and the mean of their score was 112. Which of the following statements are true? So 100 is a parameter.
Yep. And then 112 is the...
50.
Okay. I'll read 4. Rockland City has 4 distinct neighborhoods. The property values are very similar within each neighborhood, but they vary considerably from neighborhood to neighborhood. One neighborhood has a very low property value and another has an extremely high property value. Property taxes are usually roughly proportional to the property values. What type of sample should we collect to gauge residents' responses to a proposed increase in property tax? Okay, so they're basically asking what is so they're basically asking what is everybody's viewpoint, no matter what class or what type of.
Yeah, one's a low property value, and the other's extremely high.
Yeah.
Would it be cluster sample to see what they're...
That's what I was thinking it would be, because they're taking a cluster out of this one and a cluster out of this group, and then...
Okay, and then
or it's stratified.
Yeah, what's the difference between those two again? Let's see here.
Okay, I think it is stratified.
I think you're right.
So,
oh, it's not?
You just divide up similar groups, so you divide up the different poverty groups or the different...
Okay, hold on. My mom said she just took it and she said it's cluster.
You said it's cluster?
Yeah, it is cluster.
Do you know why that is?
I think because when you have different groups that you want to get the mean out of each group, then you do cluster. When you do stratified, it's just you do separate groups with a simple random. That's not a very good explanation, but I took the test and it was cluster.
Okay. Then we'll go.
Yeah, I got the definition in my notes that all items in one or more randomly selected cluster or blocks. So.
Okay.
Okay, what is the one for stratified?
Stratified is when you put
divides
the
the data into small, similar groups, and a simple random sample is taken from each group.
Oh, so they're put in similar groups, and the other one is they're just groups of populations, right?
Right.
Of like populations. You get that? So the clusters are like populations, so they all have the same neighborhood. Stratified is you put people into groups so that the groups are kind of the same.
And I see. Okay, cool.
Okay. Number 5.
Yeah. Carl, you want to do it?
Yeah, when designed experiments are conducted in a public school system, researchers typically choose a particular district and randomly select teachers of, say, 4th grade students in that district. The experiment is then conducted using all the students in the selected class. Which type of sampling scheme is implemented?
So that's stratified, right? Random, or is that cluster?
That's cluster.
Well, I know it's not. I don't know if it's cluster, but I know it's not stratified because I got it wrong.
It's cluster. I'm like
positive about that one.
Yeah.
Okay, I just need to go over these.
The property values or something.
I've got corn on the cob.
Okay. At a school fundraiser, the name of every person who attended was entered into a drawing. At the end of the evening, 6 names were selected to receive their prizes. What type of sampling scheme was implemented? A voluntary, everybody who attended. So that would just be a simple random sample, right?
Yep.
Hello. Awesome.
Okay. A special interest group is conducting a survey regarding wolves in Yellowstone National Park. To adequately gauge opinions on both sides of the political spectrum, the researchers took the list of registered Democrats and selected a simple random sample of 100 people. Then they took the list of the Republicans and selected a simple random sample of 100. What type of sampling scheme is implemented? So this would be stratified.
Yes.
Because they're taking the 2 groups and then random samples in them.
Oh,
Same.
So back on question 5, was that not stratified?
No, I got it wrong. It wasn't stratified.
So we went with cluster.
Okay.
Honestly, I think in that situation, either one could be conducted from what they've said, so we'll see. We'll submit it, and then we get 2 tries, so.
Okay, sweet.
Okay, number 8.
Go for it, Carl, then.
Did you guys pull up, so you guys haven't done it yet, right?
No. I'm opening this file right now. No. Laura, do you have SPSS, or Carlton, do you have it?
Yeah.
It is not letting me open up this file. Guys, I can't open up this file that it says.
Yeah, I was able to.
Yeah, I can't.
You can't?
No. Is there a lot of numbers in there?
Yeah.
I've already done this, so I mean, I'm not even pulling it up. So you guys know how to get to where you can find the mean and standard deviation, right?
Yeah.
On the SPSS. Kylan, did you have your computer set up before that time?
No, I just got a new computer, and so I haven't set it up yet.
Okay. Do you want us to walk you through how to get to that information?
Yes, please.
If I remember correctly, you pull up that specific data they give, and then you go to what is it? Data? What's that top corner thing?
Yeah, quantitative statistical data.
Yeah.
I'll help you find it.
Oh, do you know how to do it? My mom knows how to do it, just kidding.
Okay, great.
Okay, so for... Is that what you got?
Oh, yeah.
So for number 8, did you get 4.771?
Yeah.
And then standard deviation was the 1.912.
Yep.
Okay, number 10, did you do the histogram? Yes.
So you're going to ask about divided by 4. What's the value of the number marked A with the title of the...
That was pretty simple.
Oh, we have to find
So
the
you gotta-
deviation of the mean. Yeah.
So you gotta get them.
Okay, yeah. So for 11, you have to find the mean of all the numbers first. So you get 38.075.
For A?
I'll divide it by 4 now. Wait.
Oh, for the mean. For the sum, yes. Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, awesome.
Sorry.
I did the same thing. I'm gonna go down.
And then did you get 0.165?
Negative.
I got a negative.
Negative 1.65.
Negative. Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yep.
B. Okay, so the square deviations. So we just square that, right? Like it's as simple as that.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, she will. She's like, if you guys on, just give them to me. Yes.
Nice. Did you get 0.681?
So you got Carlson?
Have 0.681.
Yeah.
Wait,
Dinner instructions?
What is it? Quantity equals the sum of numbers. And that's the variance, right? Number 13.
We're having hot roast.
Lauren, Carl, how far are you guys?
What's that?
How far are you guys?
I'm with you. I've just already done it, so I'm just waiting for what you get.
Oh, you're so good. Okay. Okay, and so to find the standard deviation, we find the deviation from all of them. And then what do you do after that again?
Wait, say that again? I couldn't hear
You find the standard deviation. You find the deviation from the mean from all of them. And then what do you do after that? I forget.
you. I still didn't hear you. I'm trying to picture what you said. Okay, say it one more time.
For the standard, can you be quiet, please? For the standard deviation, to find it, you find the deviation from the mean, right? Which
So you're asking how to get standard deviation.
what was that?
Are you asking how to get the standard deviation?
Yeah.
Okay. So you there?
So the standard, how you get the standard deviation is what it says there in you take the actual x, the number, minus the standard deviation, which was 38.075 for that group, and you subtract that, and then you take the square root.
And then you take the square root.
I mean, you square it.
Oh, wait. That's the square deviation.
So it says,
You found the variance, right? And then you took the square root of the variance. Is that what you did?
I don't know.
Okay, 'cause the way that I've done it is I find the variance, which is just the sum of the square deviation minus n minus 1, and then I plug that in into the standard deviation and take the square root of it.
Okay.
So the sum of the square deviation, I got 1.5341. And then you divide that by 4 minus 1, so 3. And then I got 0.511366. And I just took the square root of that, and then I got 0.8456.
we're on number 14.
So what did you get, Carl?
I got 1.293.
Let's see here.
I'm not sure if that's right. I guess.
Plus point.
I might pull up my housework.
Okay. So for the sum of the square deviations, I got 1.534. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. And then from there, what do you do? What did you say you did, Lauren?
So you use the variance equation, which is just the sum over n minus 1. So n is the amount of
So it'd be 4 minus 1
variables.
3.
Yeah.
Okay. One divided by 3. Okay, did you get 0.511? Yes. Oh my gosh, such a failure. Okay. Under certain conditions, the standard deviation can be negative. False?
Oh wait, I'm sorry, that wasn't the final answer though. So after you get the variance, you need to take the square root of that. So 0.511 square root, which
Oh,
is 0.71.
just 0.7. Sweet.
Okay, are you with us, Carl?
Not really.
Okay. So how did you get the 1 point whatever?
I think I made a mistake somewhere in my calculating the, because I got the sum was 3.88, so I must have messed up somewhere.
Yeah. Do you want to list off what you've gotten for all those sums? Or all those?
So I got, I think the first one I maybe got wrong. I got 2.673.
Yeah,
But when I
that's
just
right.
redid it, I got 0.027.
Yep.
That's probably where I missed. And then I got 0.681.
Mm-hmm.
Point what?
Point what?
Second one I got 0.681.
Yeah, that's right.
And then 0.819.
Mm-hmm.
And then 0.007.
Yep.
So that first one's all.
Yeah, that first one was the one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Come on.
So then it should be 1.534 would be the sum.
Yep.
And you divide that by n minus 1, right?
What did you get? It's a variance. Oh, what is it? I don't know.
And you get 0.511. And you take the square root of that.
Yep.
And you get 0.261.
No.
No.
0.261. So you take the square root of 0.511, right?
0.715.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, square instead of the square root with the wrong calculator button.
Okay. And then under certain circumstances or certain conditions, standard deviation can become negative or whatever. No, false. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, number 16, which rotation results in the most consistent temperature measurements from one seal to another? So just whatever standard deviation is the smallest, so epidural. Where'd Tyler go? Uh-oh.
Extradural because it's got the least standard deviation.
Yeah. Do you know where Tylin went?
No, I don't.
Okay. Here's one recording, so I'm a little bit concerned. I'm gonna call her really fast.
Okay.
Hi, where'd you go? Oh no. Yeah, we're still going.
It's not like that. Will you just copy the link at the top and send it to me?
Yep. Can I just forward what you sent to me in an email?
I didn't want because I just tried that link and it didn't work for me.
Okay. I'm concerned because I'm a little bit worried that it's going to quit our recording, but whatever, we can email her, explain what happened.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's okay.
Yeah, I'm assuming it's probably still recording since we're still here. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm hoping. I know when my husband was in the class, he was in charge of recording, and they went through a full session, and he didn't even start it. So that happened.
So Wi-Fi is all off.
When are you taking the test, you guys?
Probably tomorrow.
So I'm hoping to. And we're still meeting on Wednesday?
Oh, are we
Yeah, I
still
suppose.
You want to, Carlton? You want to still meet Wednesday? Carlton?
Yeah, Wednesday's fine. I mean, if either of y'all are want to take the test Wednesday, and you want to meet another day, that's for like Thursday. Well, we have to have meet by Thursday.
Yeah, we have to meet by Thursday. I'm okay with meeting Wednesday. It'll be kind of that. What'd you say, Thailand? Sorry, I missed that.
Okay, so it's still not working. I'm just on the phone with you to do it.
Yeah, she's gonna stay on the phone. Okay, I'm so sorry. That must. Oh.
No, you're fine. I feel like I always am having health issues. Whatever. Okay, let's see here. Are we on 15 now?
Yes, and we chose extradural just because the standard deviation is the smallest.
Wait, you chose false, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Awesome.
Okay. Okay, what is the third quartile? 8?
Okay, wait, what one are you doing?
Oh, are we on number 17? Did I go ahead of? No. Yeah, number 17. What is the third quartile? So it'd be 8, right?
Yeah.
Good.